Oh, I didn't know you guys were coming. Welcome to Gore Camp. Okay, well, you're standing in the kitchen / living room right now.
Yeah.
So.
Everyone's grandpa had one of these.
That's furniture from my grandparents' house.
Collection of magazines, some, you know, some decorations all over the place.
I probably did.
You come through here.
Did you see
Big
the
Chris.
best picture we?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
on there. It's on there.
Come through here. We got Aaron and Derek's bedroom.
Yeah, bunk beds. He's in motocross.
More space for activities. Got a closet.
Storage closet.
Caleb and I's room.
Yeah, me and Chris's room. I need to make my bed. It's really dirty. We got some of the biggest deer ever on the wall. You know, Pam Anderson, that kind of thing. Baywatch. And then we gotta go upstairs.
Gramps' bedroom.
Yeah, Gramps' room. And a little walkout action. Deck. Guest bed. And then Big Chris's room. And that's it.
Yep.
That's the cabin. Live action.
On the hill, actually been around there. The
Who's
road.
following you up there? Your friend.
Probably. The
2000.
front of this mountain up here is tore the. Oh, everywhere.
That's
2,700.
Yeah.
What?
We're saving that reverend or something?
It's cool.
Let's put a bowl out of here.
Yeah, you guys got
both
it.
of
We have it for hunting. I knew. My dad said we could punch.
Chris, you gotta be careful. Only front brakes work. Only the one brakes work.
Yeah, I realized that. I picked that up. So whatever you guys want to do.
Nice looking bird. Those beefs? That's your bird. Are these Chris's?
Turkey Camp 2021.
Yep.
Oh shit. No, I'm
Got
off.
your ears all jacked up.
My bad.
Oh man, you look good with your mug.
Yeah, it's Matt's mug actually.
Chris, what day is it, man?
Opening day of turkey season.
Oh man.
West Virginia.
Mountain bird time.
Thunder chickens.
See, that's Chris's mug. My mug's a little
No.
cooler.
This is Matt's mug. Hey, Matt, I got your mug. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Appreciate it. Glad you can enjoy it. Yeah. Oh, black bag.
That's a fancy camo you got there, man.
Yeah.
Don't you know we're hunting birds in the mountains? They can't see that well.
Well, you ain't never killed one, so maybe.
Yeah, maybe we've been doing it wrong the whole time.
Oh, he called us out.
We're gonna figure it out. Well, Matt's got himself some lunch there.
Got some meats. Forgot my extra batteries from GoPro.
I brought it. Well, my batteries are different than your batteries, aren't they?
Get my other GoPro.
First one or the second one?
I think it was the first one.
Well, once again, that's close.
Turkey 1,
At
us
least
0.
I got the clicker safety off this time.
I mean, we had that bird at 60 yards.
I was excited.
He was right here. He came down the hill. He started at the top. He came down to right there. And our decoys are right here. The only problem is the four-wheelers are right there. And as soon as he got down low enough to be in line and see those quads, he took off and went back up and over. Problem was we came up this morning and we set up a couple hundred yards that way, and the birds were roosted all in here, and there was some down over there, over here, but we weren't expecting to come back to the quads like this, and that's just how it plays out.
We should know better though. We know they're like coming from this way. I don't know, it's hard to tell.
Makes it hard. I really went up the hill.
We got one goblin.
We're gonna go get him.
Way down there.
It's only about 3 miles away.
Yeah, it's worth it though.
Yes, it is. Let's go.
All right, guys. Day 1, 19th is in the books. And I'm heading back to camp right now. I think I might be the last guy left in the woods. I was checking a couple of our cams, but we had some good action. We were probably about 20 yards away from killing a bird this morning, and then we had another gobbler start going crazy here towards the end, but he was down on the other side of the road, good distance away, and he answered every call of mine, sometimes double, triple gobbling, but he was easily a couple hundred yards away. I'd say 600-700 yards down in a holler. So no chance at calling him across the road, but now it's time for fun and games. Alright guys, little update. We finally got a bird going off on our side of the road. All morning we had him going off on the opposite side of the road. It sounded like 3 gobblers this morning. But we finally have one on this side. So we're going to try to sneak a little bit up this ridge. Probably get within 300 or 400 yards and wait him out. Caleb and Chris should be coming around from the other ridge, so we'll see. We're going to sneak up there and do our best.
And to West Virginia, day 1 hunting for us. Heard about 1 million birds, didn't see any. Most of them were across the road from us this morning. Heard a whole lot of gobbles though. Hopefully tomorrow morning we're in the right spot.
Going. It's like the Energizer game. Rich.
Famous Isaac Peckerjack venison steak. Think they can't take it forward any other way. It's a beautiful butt. I got those boots your dad have, and they're awesome. No complaints.
He was complaining about
Really?
He's got weird feet.
Yeah. Yep.
Me and Chris are on setup number 2 of the morning, second morning here in West Virginia.
On we go.
Bro's going crazy now, buddy.
He's excited.
Yeah, but he's about a mile away.
We're gonna go after him now. We're gonna get him.
About 5 minutes before you said you heard one, I thought I heard one down there fly down.
You know what that is? You know what that is?
That's bear poop. There's no turkeys out here.
Weather conditions are perfect. Everything's perfect. Oh, this beautiful road out here in West Virginia. There's nothing happening. Nothing.